Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can reset your PS5 to factory settings. So for example, maybe you want to sell PS5, or simply games not working or something like that, and you want to completely reset your settings and completely delete all the files from your PS5. It's quite easy to do so, right? So first of all, you need to go to settings. Then on settings, you need to go to, as you can see here, on system. And then first step, what I suggest you to do here is to, if you have an option, just plug in your external drive and back up your PS5, right? If there is a possibility for you. And then what you need to do here, when you want to just reset PS5, just go to reset options. And first one will restore to default settings, is just a settings, basically your PS5 settings, not games or any of that. But if you want to factory reset, you just need to press reset your console here, right? And hit reset here. And you will reset to factory settings your PS5, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it.